All right, in this question, we're going to be looking at a circle whose center is at 1 minus 1 and which goes through another point 4, 3. So for this, we need to know the equation of a circle. All right, so we'll go ahead and write that down. That's r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. All right, so first of all, you might remember that the center is also the same as the h and k values. So we'll just go and chuck those in. So x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared. All right, so this means then that the only other thing we don't know in the equation is r squared, and this is where that other information pops in, that 0.43. So what we'll do is we'll sub in place of x and y, 4 and 3. And what you'll notice then is that there'll be no variables on the right-hand side of the equals sign, and the only thing left solving for is r squared. So when we solve this side, we're going to find out what r squared equals. So r squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared, and if you know your Pythagorean triples, you remember that 3, 4 makes a 5 triangle. So 3 squared was 9, 4 squared was 16, 9 and 16 make 25. So r squared equals 25. Now really, this is all we need to write down the equation of the circle, because it's just going to look like this. X minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared. If we were curious and we wanted to know what the radius of the circle was, we would just square root both sides of r squared equals 25 and come up with the radius of 5 units. But we didn't need to know that for this question, because it just asked us to find the equation of the circle, not to find out the radius. So this is the final point here. You know your h value, your k value, and your radius. And you can just write the final equation like that.